Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. So if you're trying to enable voice chat directly from the Roblox app, here's what you need to know. Currently, the voice chat setting is not available through the Roblox app on iPhone. Instead, you'll need to use a web browser to go to the Roblox website. Open your Safari and sign in to your Roblox account. Then open Settings. From there, you need to look for Privacy or Communication section. Then tap on the Communication. There you might find an option for voice chat, and you need to keep in mind that Roblox may require age verification before voice chat can be enabled. Once voice chat is enabled on the website, return to Roblox and join a game that supports voice chat. Also make sure Roblox has permission to access your microphone in your iPhone settings. And if you don't see the voice chat option on the website, it may not be available for your account, age group or region yet. So that's how to enable voice chat in Roblox. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.